But this is the top of our 2.1 airflow meter. This connects to the rubber boot that goes to our throttle body. Wiring harness goes inside the engine bay. This here is the cap that you'll have to pry off, and I'll show you that in a second. Get this thing torn off. You can see each time we depress the accelerator pedal, this arm sweeps on this carbon track back and forth, and each one of these points on the circuit board obviously sending different information to the ECU on airflow mixtures and oxygen sensor and TPS coolant switch and all that stuff. So what we want to clean is this carbon area, and you can see over tens of thousands of miles it actually puts in these marks, and by cleaning it, I'm guessing that it sends a better signal or whatnot. But I just dab a little bit of rubbing alcohol and sweep through this thing, and I try not to saturate it too much, and then take the dry end and kind of wipe away the excess, and you'll see here that it takes a little bit off, not a whole lot. I've cleaned this one a couple times already, but it definitely takes a little bit. And then I come on the other side and kind of clean it too. So I'm guessing at freeway, you know, at idle, this thing's just kind of popping around right here. And then once we get up to speed on the freeway, you can kind of see a couple other little spots where this thing's probably spending a lot of its time. So I'm guessing that mixed signal or the hesitating coming in on that. So that's kind of how you clean it and put the top back on. So what I'm really curious is when you go Westy, specifically ask them about this circuit board and find out if they're having these rebuilt, and or are they just bench testing them, which you can with an ohm meter, and they're probably hitting those certain values, and they know obviously with this off idling, and when you rev up the engine it hits a certain RPM. Are they just bench testing those areas to make sure that they fit within Volkswagen's values? But that's what I'm curious about. You know, it'd be nice if this component was being repopped and put in. So other than that, cross my fingers, man. Hope you don't have to do this on the side of the road, and you get to do it when you get home. So anyway, I'll talk to you later.